Hello, this is a two-part video of Espace Air Passion Museum, the second largest aeronautical museum in France in terms of number of aircraft preserved, 20 flying and 200 in the various buildings. Here we have a Nord 3400 serial number 78 being restored to flight, an ex-French Army light observation plane, followed by a Ford Magister serial number 3350, which is ex-French Air Force, one of the most successful jet trainers of all time. The next one is an Alba A61, a prototype built in the 1930s, followed by a Pays-le Busan PM-11 light aircraft designed as a two-seater touring aircraft in the 30s. Notable flights were to Paris to Madagascar in 14 days and Paris to Vietnam in 10 days, Saigon. Very interesting. The next aircraft is a Cessna Bobcat UC-78 Bravo. It is being restored by the museum, the only one left in France of 4,600 built worldwide. One of my favourite aircraft now at the museum, de Havilland Chipmunk Fox Alpha Zulu November Sierra, was built for Egypt in 1953 and is the last survivor of 56 aircraft ordered by the Egyptian Air Force. The next aircraft is Fox Alpha Zulu November Victor, a 1960s glider, a Brigade BR950S. The Macchi MB308 Fox Bravo Echo Hotel Mike is a two-seater small design touring aircraft from the 1940s. Fox Bravo Lima Kilo Yankee, the second prototype of the Jupiter series, designed as the M360-6, a very rare French light executive twin push-pull configuration, very unusual. Fox Bravo Papa Hotel Alouettes 3, light helicopter, over 760 produced. Next is a glider, Fox Charlie Alpha Hotel Delta, built in 1946, a Gudin C800. Fox Charlie Zulu, Edelweiss C30S, twin-seat glider, built in 1964. Fox Charlie Golf Zulu, a Fawn AV22S, is a tailless glider, built in 1959. Charlie Mike Lima, WA30 Brozek, two-seater glider, now made into a flight sim. Fox Papa Hotel Quebec November, a home-built aircraft, LD45-5. Fox Papa Hotel Romeo Papa, PRHO1, home-built helicopter. Fox Papa Victor Quebec Bravo, a Bozek JD60 home-built aircraft. Fox Papa Yankee Fox Yankee Pierre CP80TR-160 aerobatic plane. Fox Papa Yankee Tango Alpha HM8 home-built aircraft. Fox Papa Zulu India Victor MC15 Cree used to land on a Renault 5 and it's the smallest twin-engined aircraft. Fox Whiskey Delta Mike X-Ray Microjet 200B, a very rare twin-jet aeroplane. Only 4 aircraft were built in the world. Fox Whiskey Delta Victor November, an Arsenal glider made in 1947 and is another prototype. Fox Whiskey Juliet Delta Tango, a René Leduc RL21, built in 1960, a rare one-off. Fox Whiskey Romeo Yankee Romeo, a Giotto Let 3 homebelt or auto gyro. The next and last aircraft is a René Jongoniet, if I said that right, number 111. I don't know if that's the con or registration. Built in 1908 and is the oldest aircraft at the museum. I hope you like this video of the museum. Their Heritage Day is now on this year, the 19th and 20th of September 2026. There's 180 vintage aircraft and gliders in the storage hangar.